Haq from India says, can I postpone marriage in order to go for Hajj? This depends. If marriage is an immediate necessity for you, then you have to do it before Hajj. And I would recommend doing it even if it's not a necessity. Why? Akhi, shaitan is lurking in the dark, waiting for the right moment to strike. And when you're not married, there are so many fitna out there, so many temptations. And I'm talking about sinful things, not the group. And if you don't protect yourself and observe your chastity through marriage, there is a possibility that you might fall into sin. And I would highly recommend that you go for marriage first. And Hajj, by Allah's will, is possible to delay because you don't have the financial means. And protecting your chastity is more important as a priority than Hajj.